This right here is after running the smoke test now for well over 5 minutes. There is no breach in the seal. Even without an odor preventer cone. Oh, we do have minor. All right, this is gonna be hard to find, but there it is. There, can you see it? Yep. All right, so manhole lid is leaking. We also have smoke coming out of the conduit for the power. Quick discovery by William Sarmiento. Okay, so now we are at the pump chamber. We went ahead and pumped down and cleaned up the bottom of the trap, and what we have here is 2 pumps that discharge separately. One line right here, the other line right here. They go through the wall. Then over here, they come together and then exit. In this area, we have what's called a ball valve, shut-off valve, ball valve, shut-off valve. This little chamber is right now acting as an overflow chamber because of this pipe right here. It's a pipe that's connected here for no purpose whatsoever, but it's acting as an overflow if by any means this pump chamber should stop working. In this pump chamber, you'll also find this little pipe that comes in. We're not necessarily sure what it is. It looks like it's for ventilation purposes only, but I can't guarantee it. And of course, this pipe right here, which is a discharge line to that beautiful fiberglass grease trap. That grease trap goes around into this storage room and then comes down right there. Bam, discharges right here. Okay.
So I found this one.
You did? What is it?
Yeah, I should.
Okay.
It's a vent.
It is vent. All right, perfect. So it is confirmed by the master of this building that is a vent. When it comes to our float trees, we have off float, on float, alarm float. And they're actually holding a very nice water level, which stops the pumps just before the water is about to expose the pumps. That's perfect because it keeps the pumps underwater, which means from overheating. Now, upon the next service of this chamber, there has to be a power washer. So we can power wash all of these walls, the tops of the pumps, and all of the components that are in here carefully, not bullyish, and clean up the chamber. As well as a nice little soapy power wash in here. So that's for the pump.